Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.8 and we had it integrated into PayMeGPT in under 24 hours. So today I'm putting it to work. Two things people always ask me: can you put a video background in the hero, and can you actually drop your AI agent right onto the page? The answer is yes and yes, and I'm doing it both live today, with the real superpower being PayMeGPT's MCP. No website builder, no drag and drop. I give Claude info about the business, it designs the whole landing page, video hero and all, and deploys it live. Then we wire the AI agent straight into the page so visitors can chat with it. The AI handles the heavy 80%, I just steer the 20% that matters. Let's build. Now this right here is PayMeGPT, and this is what gives Claude his superpowers. It allows him to do all the things we're going to show you today. There's a video here that explains exactly how to connect PayMeGPT MCP to Claude directly. Now we'll leave a link up above as well. So since we already have this connected and hooked up, I'm going to jump directly into my Claude right here, and I'm going to paste this prompt. What I've done is I've picked a business website that I believe could definitely do with a little facelift. This right here contains their website, and it says we want to upgrade their website. I want to use PayMeGPT's MCP to create a landing page that is absolutely incredible. Use the skill that we have for this as well to ensure it does not look vibe coded. Another thing I would like you to do is set up the hero section to have a video. The video in itself you can generate through PayMeGPT as you see fit best the landing page. Once you are done, give me the link to the live landing page before we move on to the next step, and simply send this off. Now what Claude is going to do is it's going to look at this, going to grab the information from their website, and it's going to look at the tools that he has access to through PayMeGPT. Then it's going to simply create the landing page and either do this on PayMeGPT's end or simply create it here and push it through PayMeGPT. The video generation is happening as well through MCP of PayMeGPT. So once it's done, it's going to take all those things and put it together. Now this is something that would have taken a couple hours easily. Now you can do this in 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So as you can see, it's going through everything. It's got everything loaded, design direction, so on and so forth. It's now generating the video. Now this took about 30 seconds and it said, video is rendering. While it works, let me build the full page HTML. I'll hand code it to full have control over everything. So now it's going to go ahead and code this out. And then the landing page is going to be pushed to PayMeGPT. Now as you can see, video is rendering, page is built, video is ready, both URLs injected, now publishing via PayMeGPT using direct HTML bypass. It's doing all of the heavy lifting. Literally, I haven't done anything. We're still at the very same prompt that I gave initially, and it's just gone ahead and started doing everything. So now I'm just going to wait for the publish link so that we can preview it. Again, this is the old website. Now let's see what this comes up with. And as you can see, there we go. So we've got the link right here. Now let's click on this and see what it has given us. The roof took the hit. We take it from here. Look at this right here. It's put the video in the background, generated an incredible landing page that is significantly better than what they currently have. Again, this is just one single prompt and you can do several iterations on this. But again, I think the difference is night and day from this to this. Now, the next thing we want to do is add a little chat widget like they have right here. We can do this simply by going, I would like for you to create a agent widget and make sure that it has all information of their business from their website. It is supposed to be a helpful assistant that helps customers navigate certain questions or FAQs based on the business information. I want it to also have the right brand colors, same as the ones that we went with on the new landing page. Place it as a chat widget on the bottom right hand corner of the landing page. Now we're going to send this off and it's going to go right ahead. And just like that, widget is live, branded Storm Amber, packed with all their business info. Now I'll embed it bottom right on the page. So as you can see, it's now going ahead, updating the landing page. This is how simple as it is. Literally one prompt for the landing page and the video all generated within of PayMeGPT. And then the second part, which is the chat widget, the agent. And once more, I'm letting you know that if the client comes back with a bunch of updates, a list full of updates to the page that they want, a list full of changes to the agent on how it should respond, or business information or pricing, anything like that, literally take that list, give it to Claude, and he will adjust it for you. landing page, and agent. This can build so much more powerful systems. It can build in the back automation workflows. You can create all sorts of things that push information to Google Sheets. The possibilities are endless. You can check out our YouTube channel for more videos that we actually covered on this. And please subscribe so you can catch the latest updates, tutorials, and videos as well. So we'll give it a minute for this. And just like that, it's done. So for GitHub, it did push to my GitHub as well, where I can have free hosting. So I have a video on this channel, which I'll leave in the description down below, where you can set it up so your domain is connected to GitHub for free hosting. Simple as that. Now for this one here, we won't have to click on any of this. We can simply go back here, and as you see, there is no chat widget here. Let's just refresh. And just like that, we have a brand chat widget. All the information. Let's separate these windows, and as you can see, right here we have all of the information. So let's ask it a question. What is your number? What it installs is what we call our install process. Clean job sites, careful, amazing. So it's answering, it's already branded. Let's ask it for its number. As you can see, there's a little spelling error. As you can see, there's a little spelling error. That's completely fine. Giving out the correct numbers, 6742047. Let's have a little check. 6742047. And just like that, we built a fully branded agent to go with their landing page with an incredible hero video by simply having a total of 2 prompts. As simple as that. And that's it. A full landing page with hero video and a custom AI agent built from 2 prompts and Claude through PayMeGPT MCP as its superpower. This is a service you can offer to businesses around yourself or all around the world. Simply reaching out to them with a quick demo saying, this is what I built out for you. You seem to be leaving money on the table with your current website. I know you don't have the time to get this done, and traditional ways are extremely expensive. So this is what I've built out for you. It's completely free to look at. And if you're interested in having this as your new website, let's talk price. Again, thank you for watching this video. We have many more coming, so be sure to subscribe, leave your comments down below, like, and I'll catch you in the next one.